Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp cocktail that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have ketchup, salt, Clamato juice, jalapeños, cucumber, lemons, aguacate, radish, cilantro, red onion.
Stallions.
Here I have the star, which is the shrimp. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing shrimp cocktail. So let's get started.
I have my shrimp here. I have deveined every single one, but I left the tail on. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to my pan. And here I am going to add 1 cup of water. Remember, leave the tail on because the tail is going to release all the delicious flavor into the liquid. And we're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It really doesn't take too long before you start seeing the shrimp turning pink. Once all the shrimp is nice and pink and the water's already a little boiling, then it's time to turn off your stove, let it sit, and let release all the delicious flavor into the liquid. And here I have the onion, which I'm going to go ahead and take the sides off and take the skin off, so I could start getting all my veggies nice and ready because we need to rinse every single one. I have my radishes here, a bunch of radishes, and I'm gonna pull them apart. Okay, this is done. Let's go to the sink and let's start rinsing every single veggie. This is a very important step, you know. This is what you cannot skip at all. You want to make sure that you rinse everything, and once everything is nice and rinsed through running water, then we are ready to start chopping away. I have my scallions and I'm going to slice them right through the center, and then I'm going to dice them very finely. You want to make sure that you have all your ingredients almost the same size. I have the jalapeno here. I am going to remove the seeds. The reason that I'm removing the seeds, I don't want none of the seeds in my shrimp cocktail. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the seeds. Once this is done, I'm going to start chopping them in really small little pieces, nice and diced. Once this is completely done, well, I'm going to start putting aside everything a little bit at a time. Look at this. I have my radishes here, and I'm doing the same thing, taking my time, of course, because this is the part that really takes longer, you know, dicing all your veggies. Adding the radish to the cocktail, it's amazing. It's a delicious flavor. I like using this really small cucumber. The small cucumber really gives it a nice and delicious flavor to your shrimp cocktail. The taste of this cucumber, it's more intense, and you could really taste the flavor. I have my cilantro here, and I'm going to go ahead and just chop it in very small little pieces. The same thing with my red onion. All these flavors make this delicious shrimp cocktail amazing. Look at this. I have my lemons here, and these are organic lemons. They have no seeds, and I'm going to start getting all the delicious juice of the lemons. You know something? With 3 lemons, I'm going to get about half a cup of lemon juice. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside, and I have all my shrimp here. I'm gonna get the shrimp out of the pan, and I'm going to reserve the liquid. The liquid is going to be part of the cocktail. Don't throw the liquid away. Is where all the flavor of the shrimp is concentrated. Okay, let me put this aside. I have a glass cup. I'm gonna add all the delicious juice. I'm adding the lemon juice, the ketchup, the Clamato juice, the salt, and remember that the salt is to taste. Let's whisk and let's incorporate all those delicious flavors. Okay, I have the shrimp here, and I'm gonna take the tail off just like that of every single one. I'm gonna make sure that I do that, and remember that it has no vein in the back, so I'm just gonna start and getting all those delicious tails off because we're not gonna need it. I have my organic avocado, and look at this, how beautiful it is from the inside. And now I'm gonna start slicing it and cubing it just like this. This aguacate, it's so creamy, so delicious that it goes amazing with this delicious shrimp cocktail. I have all my veggies here, and you know something, I'm just gonna press it just like that, and you could see all those little pieces really getting off, coming off of the skin of an aguacate. Look at this. Look at all these delicious and amazing veggies. All those colors, from the orange of the shrimp to the cucumber, green and light green, the radish, red, pink, white, the jalapeño, all those beautiful intense colors, the scallions, the white and green, the cilantro and the red onion. You know something? I am ready to prepare my plate. See you in a bit. Done with this delicious shrimp cocktail. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, and I wish you were here to taste it with me. I have some tapatio sauce that I'm going to add. Of course, the tapatio sauce is optional, and I'm going to enjoy this delicious shrimp cocktail with some salted crackers. Yes, this is the way I enjoy it here at my home. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. You know something? This cocktail shrimp, it's amazing and it's perfect for this hot weather. Mmm. Mmm. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Enjoy like I enjoyed here with my family.
If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious shrimp cocktail. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.